Hey guys, and welcome back to HowToAuto, where we explore the latest in AI and automation. Today, we're looking at a brand new tool called topview.ai, which is an AI tool designed to make creating viral videos effortless. Now, if you've ever wanted to turn your media or product links into attention-grabbing content in just one simple click, this is literally the tool for you. So you might be thinking, what is TopView? And so guys, look, it's an AI-driven platform that taps into a database of over 5 million viral TikTok and YouTube videos, allowing you to create viral-ready content with minimal effort. Whether you upload your own photos and videos or simply provide a product link, TopView analyzes everything to deliver a polished result every single time. But you might be thinking, oh, there's so many AI video editors out on the market right now. All right, let's talk about some things that make TopView stand out from all of the other competition. I'm gonna talk over some of its key features that can help transform the way that you create videos while giving a live example of exactly how amazing it is. So TopView has intelligent script generation, where it uses GPT-4o to analyze viral video patterns that automatically generate a script tailored to your content. Having this feature removes the need for manual script writing, which makes it ideal for fast-paced creators or businesses needing quick turnaround. So that's for all of you YouTube automation guys. Keep listening. Now, of course, the AI is gonna handle all of the editing for you. It's going to analyze the video content and select all the clips that are going to go viral. And it'll even help you edit your media into multiple versions, optimized for different platforms. TopView also has access to over 100 types of AI generated voiceovers, including realistic human-like voices in well over 20 languages. This means you can create multilingual content easily, which expands your reach across global audiences. TopView can bring in some really advanced AI features that help push it beyond the typical video creation tools. So let's jump in and have a look what it's like. So as you guys can see, I'm on the TopView page right here. And let's go, let's create a video with AI. So we want to make a marketing video and we're going to pick an avatar that looks cool. So let's go for this one. Now we can see they have multiple different scenes, different sceneries, different backgrounds, different clothes. Let's go with something more casual, leaning on an armrest. So here's where you would pop in your product link. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a sample link just to get my point across. So let's pick a sample. All right, let's grab the Fitbit Advanced Smartwatch. So it's going to analyze it and grab all of the content related to our video. It's going to make our processing time a bit longer, so I'm going to untick some of the more lengthy type of videos, but you get the point. We're going to click continue. Here, it's going to write you your script on what it wants the video to be about and a basic brief, which is handled for you. So let's go ahead and click generate. So now it's going to grab scripts of all of the other product videos and it's going to write its own custom script. So let's speed up until the end of this and I will come back when it's finished. All right, as you guys can see, we have the new script here with all of the media, and it's going to go ahead and generate all of the things I covered on. So it's going to be currently editing the video, making an AI voiceover, using that intelligent script generation and really helping it out. Along with that, it's also got an AI avatar, which was what we picked at the start. So that's going to be super cool. They actually have well over 100 AI digital humans for you to choose from, and you can add virtual avatars of anything, different ethnicity, ages, styles, anything. And look, it has industry-leading lip sync accuracy, so it's going to look super natural while delivering your script, as well as having these super smart captions. So TopView, as you guys will see, actually offers multiple caption styles to help enhance engagement. So captions are super critical in videos, especially in YouTube automation. So let's check it out.
Feeling stressed out with all the chaos around you? Meet the Fitbit Sense 2, your stress management partner. It detects stress all day and gives you a daily score to crush it. Tired of tossing and turning at night? The Sense 2 tracks your sleep stages and gives you a sleep score. Plus, it has a smart wake alarm to make waking up easier. Want to level up your workouts? It has GPS, 40+ exercise modes, and all-day activity tracking. Stay connected with calls and texts right on your wrist. With over 6 days of battery life, you won't miss a beat.
As you guys can see there, that was awesome for a tool that, helped me create a video in literally 2 seconds. That's unbelievable. And we get multiple versions of our video as well. Now, of course, with TopView, one person can literally handle the work of an entire production company. It handles everything from script writing to editing, voiceovers, avatars, and captions, which gives you a fully produced video in literally minutes. Now, of course, TopView AI is literally an all-in-one solution for anybody looking to create viral videos efficiently and at scale. Now, guys, whether you're just starting out or already established, the intelligent automation features can help save you time and effort while producing high quality, engaging content. If you're interested in trying TopView AI for yourself, I've included a link down below so you guys can check it out and see how you can revolutionize your content creation process. So of course, thanks for watching HowToAuto, your go-to for best AI tools and automation strategies. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more reviews and tips on how to automate your workflow, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.